it's Nicole and I'm here with my Cheeky Studio December kit. So let's just get started with the pattern paper. This is from Wild Whisper Christmas Comfort. I love these cut apart. So I'll probably use mostly this side, maybe a little bit of this side, but I'm thinking that side. And then this one, it's all from the same collection. I love those sketchy gifts. Those are awesome. And I love that side too. And I love all the branding strips too. They're super cute. This one is like a raspberry color, I guess. And this one is like a plaid. This one is some Christmas leaves, I guess. And then a bunch of trees. This one says fa la 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 la. And then vehicles with Christmas trees on their vehicle. And this one is like a burlap and some, I guess, little twigs that they've turned into arrows. That's cute. And then a transparency sheet, which one side is silver and the other side is gold. So I'll put that on the bottom so that it doesn't create some glare. Now there's two flare badges. One has a holly leaf and the other one is like a black plaid. That's cute. And then the Christmas collection from Cheeky Studio is called Christmas Beauty. And we'll go through all the die cuts first. So there's a few like wreaths. Those are great for your embellishment foundations or for some journaling. And then there's pre-made little embellishment clusters, some more wreath-like embellishments, some more clusters in different sizes, and then there's squares that you can do your journaling or again embellishment foundation. And then this, oh, I thought it was the same, but this is a little label. So tons of embellishments, and I like the colors too. There's some like blue, some red, so tons of embellishments. And then there is cut aparts, so I won't take them out. There's one sheet, so I usually punch those out and then make them into my own flare. I just put and like a big enamel dot over top, a clear enamel shape. Then there is the Christmas Comfort. This is by Wild Whisper. And it's Christmas related. So fa la la, merry. I love that sketchy gift. I'm glad they put that in there. And then Snowflake Wishes Christmas. I like the font that they used. And then the last thing is this right here. It's like a thick wool, I guess, or cord, and it's green. And that's it. So the next few videos that I do using Cheeky Studios, I'll be using this kit. And I want to thank you so much for watching. All the links for Cheeky Studio is in the description box below, and then you can use my code Nicole Jones 911 to get 10% off your order. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.